Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect Supabase with VSCode. First, open the Start menu and search for Visual Studio Code. Then click on it to launch VSCode. Once VSCode opens, click on the extensions icon from the left side panel. In the search bar, type Supabase and press enter. Now find the official Supabase extension in the results and click on it. Then click Install and wait for the extension to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, you may be asked to reload VSCode. If so, click Reload. Now open the Supabase extension from the sidebar or command palette. You may be prompted to sign in to your Supabase account or connect an existing project. Open your Supabase dashboard in your browser and copy the required project details, such as your project URL and API keys if needed. Then return to VSCode and follow the prompts to connect your Supabase project. After the connection is successful, you'll be able to view and manage your Supabase resources directly from VSCode. You can also use the extension to work with databases, tables migrations, functions, and other Supabase features without leaving your editor. Once everything is connected, open your project folder in VSCode and start building your application with Supabase. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.